If you're trying to back up or restore your iPhone, you might notice that Find My iPhone needs to be turned off first. By default, this feature is enabled automatically when you set up Find My, and it's meant to protect your device by linking it to your Apple ID, so no one else can use it if it's lost or stolen. However, if you want to disable it temporarily for backup or restore, you can easily do that from your iPhone settings. In this guide, I'll show you how. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now, scroll down and tap on the Stolen Device Protection settings. Now, turn off the Stolen Device Protection setting. Now, enter your iPhone passcode again. That's it. Now go back to the settings. Tap on the profile name. Now, scroll down and tap on Find My Settings. Now, tap on Find My iPhone. Now, turn off the Find My iPhone setting. Now, enter your Apple ID passcode to confirm. That's it! You've successfully turned off Find My iPhone on your device. If you ever want to turn it back on, just go back to the same Find My settings and toggle it on again. I hope you find this guide helpful.